Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to, look at all my fidgets I have. So, let's get started. First, let me just put one right here. First fidget, everyone probably has this. I have this triangle cube I'm gonna have to work on. And then I have this mini one. It's small. This one's really hard. This one's easy though. You don't want to get this one mixed up because it's really hard. Second, I got thinking putty. I have that. It's blue. And let's move on to the next. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, I have this kind of thinking putty. It's sparkly. Looks like that. I also have this kind of thinking putty. It's like oily, I forget. No. Yeah, so we got this kind. Then we'll move it on to the fidget spinners. This one's broken. So I'm still looking around for this piece right there. I got this. This one glows in the dark, but this one also it's getting rusty and it won't spin that much. Got this kind. I got it at a festival. Can you see that? This one is brand new. I just got it this weekend. Well, not this weekend, but I got it. I have this green one my sister gave me. I like that one. Oh, this one is my favorite. This one is, it's like twirls like this. You see it? That sharp thing right there. I also got this mini one. This one is my favorite. I'm upstairs doing a video. I have this tangle thing. That was my dad. He was asking me something. I got a fidget. I do it sometimes when I'm bored. Got this other thinking putty. It's glittery. I got this from my birthday. My friend gave it to me. I got this from getting the Rubik's Cube. And I also got this. It goes like this. Like that. Oh. Yeah, it goes like this. So I hope you enjoyed that video. And I will see you later. So, bye.